mark. Get set. Go! Woohoo! I win! I wonder who that could be.
Hello, Jack. How are you? I was bored and was wondering what you were doing.
Oh, hello, Bob. Jill and I were just playing. Come on in. Bob! I'm so happy you're here. Whoa! Oh, Jill! Are you okay?
You took quite a tumble there.
I'm fine. I just slipped and fell, but I'm okay now.
I'm glad you're okay, Jill, but you were lucky. You could have been seriously hurt. Look around. The house is a mess with all your stuff everywhere. It is always a good thing to tidy up after you play. So, how about we clean the house up?
Yeah!
That's a super idea, Jill. Jack, I believe Jill has something to tell us.
Hi, I'm Tidy Girl. I keep everything in their place and make the room tidy. Ha-ha! Hi there. My name is Vanish Boy. I make all mess vanish in an instant.
And I am Dirt Buster. I look at dirt and dust it all away. Achoo. And we are the cleaning superheroes. Off to work we go.
Yay!
And all done. Good job, cleaning superhero. Heroes. Hi, kids. We all love playing, but make sure you always tidy up after you are done. Be your own superhero and make tidying up fun. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon. 5 marshmallows left. 1 for each of you.
I can't eat anymore, Bob. They get stuck in my teeth. I can eat Polly Share. Cool. You'll turn sticky and sweet like a marshmallow, Jack. You've eaten way too many.
Not if you brush your teeth before you sleep.
I'm too sleepy. I ate only 2. My mouth is clean. See? I like the taste of marshmallows on my lips. Yeah, so will the ants when you're asleep. Bob, we so don't want to brush our teeth.
If you don't brush and wash, germs will say, "Oh my gosh, we have a new home where we can freely roam."
But Bob, I'm too tired right now.
Oh, that's a shame. I was hoping Mary will teach us a new dance tonight.
But I don't know a new dance, Bob.
I have a new song. I thought you would so love to make a dance out of it and teach us. But never mind. You all are too sleepy.
No, Bob. I'm not all that sleepy. I want to learn a new dance. I'm also not all that tired, Bob.
Really? You sure?
Yes!
Oh, that's good to hear. Let me whisper the song to you, Mary, and see if you can come up with some steps.
Oh. I love your song, Bob. Ooh, I'm so excited. I think I have the steps ready. Are you all ready to meet the boogie brush? What's that? Let me show you. Bob, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
We go to the left, 1, 2, 3. We go to the right, dum-dum-dee, with the boogie brush in hand. Let's dance as we stand. A little on the inside, ha ha ha. A little on the outside, hee hee hee. With the boogie brush in hand, let's dance as we stand. Let's get the tongue to roll, ah ah ah. Clean, clean is our goal, ah ah ah. With the boogie brush in hand, let's dance as we stand. Teeth so white, teeth so clean, they are the best that I have seen. The boogie brush is so awesome for scrubbing our teeth, tongue, and gum.
Do you guys want to learn this? Yay! Okay, then get your toothbrushes out now. Follow my lead. Together. Yeah! We go to the left, 1, 2, 3. We go to the right, dum-dum-dee, with the boogie brush in hand. Let's dance as we stand. A little on the inside, ha ha ha. A little on the outside, hee hee hee. With the boogie brush in hand, let's dance as we stand. Let's get the tongue to roll, ah ah ah. Clean, clean is our goal, ah ah ah. With the boogie brush in hand, let's dance as we stand. Teeth so white, teeth so clean, they are the best that I have seen. The boogie brush is so awesome for scrubbing our teeth, tongue, and gum. Yeah!
Now, isn't it a fun way to brush and keep germs away? So get your boogie brush out and remember to do the boogie brushing every night and every morning. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon. Ah, the Jungle Run competition is finally here. I bet Polly will win the competition for the 3rd time in a row and get the trophy.
I'm not so sure, Bob. She hasn't been practicing regularly. Her cousin is in town, and they're playing late into the night. She's not getting enough sleep either.
That's not good. Not going to sleep on time affects your health. Hold on. I have just the way to show Polly how important sleep is. Polly, the jungle run competition is around the corner, and Johnny tells me that you haven't been going to sleep on time and are too tired to practice.
Well, yes, I haven't been sleeping, but it doesn't affect anything because I will still win.
Well, Johnny doesn't think so. In fact, he has taken a bet that he can beat you.
Oh, really? Fine. Tell him that I accept the challenge.
I knew you would say that. That's why we have made a trail just like the jungle run. May the best boy or girl win.
Yay! Bye! Wow. Congratulations, Johnny. You were really good. No, Polly, I wasn't so fast. It's just that you were slow. You have a point, Johnny. I am so tired.
That's because you haven't been sleeping enough and going to sleep on time, Polly. Lack of sleep makes you tired and slow.
You are right, Bob. Thank you for making me see how wrong I was. I realize now how important sleep is to be active. How important sleep is to be active, energetic, and focused. I better go get some rest and prepare for the competition. That's the spirit. You're gonna win it, Polly. I'm so nervous. I hope Polly has won the trophy. Huh? Hi! Yay! We are so proud of you, Polly. You did it! It's all because of you, Bob. Thank you for making me understand how important sleep is for all of us.
That's right, kids. Go to sleep on time to wake up strong and fresh. Remember, everything is possible after a good night's rest.
Hey! That's mine! Come back here! My trophy! Thank you for inviting us, Peter. I'll see you next. Peter's mom really knows how to throw a good party. Look at what I won in the sack race. And I won this in the spoon race. Mary and I won a pencil set in musical chairs. I couldn't get away from the hot dogs. I wish there was a hot dog eating competition. I would have won first place. Hey, Bob, did you get a prize too?
Oh, well, not yet. But I am going to win the biggest prize of them all.
But the party is over, Bob.
Not yet. Who wants to play the last game?